Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to replace a battery on a Mortise and profile flash locks. For that you will need CR123 lithium batteries and FlashLock battery kit that comes with the manual and T6 Torx wrench. First thing you need to know, on the back of this flash lock you will see two holes, one for the set screw, the other one is for the beeper. So you need to locate this one. By looking in the front of the flash lock you will see a mark between two LED lights. This one is telling you where the set screw is. Once you've located that, go ahead and insert your Torx wrench. Now rotate the wrench clockwise from the front of the lock. Remove the wrench, unscrew the knob cap and set it aside. Here we go. Take out the circuit board and the battery. Replace the battery negative side down. Make sure it touches the spring behind it. Now align the post with the hole on the circuit board and replace the circuit board. You should hear this beeping sound. Now screw on the knob cap. If the cap does not screw on easily, check that the circuit board is still set over the post and just repeat. Okay, here fully tighten the knob cap and then check for alignment. The marker should be aligned with the set screw hole. If it's not, you may have to slightly loosen the cap for proper alignment. After you did, take back the Torx wrench and tighten the screw counterclockwise. Do not apply so much pressure on it. And now check for functionality. Working. Thank you.